All right, this is problem number 21. It is still just Bayes' theorem, though perhaps made a bit more challenging because the probabilities that are given in the problem are kind of coded away in some proportional representation and some proportional language. But we are given that there are, in a sample study, in a population, there are 20% heavy smokers, 30% light smokers, and 50% non-smokers. We do a 5-year study, and over the terms of that 5-year study, it was found that light smokers were twice as likely to die as non-smokers, but half as likely to die as heavy smokers. So what I did is I wrote everything in terms of the non-smokers, made my light smokers twice as likely to die as the non-smokers, and then made sure my light smokers' death probability was half that of my heavy smokers. So it really just comes out to be 4n, 2n, and n. We're told that a randomly selected participant from the study died. So that's a conditional statement. We want to calculate the probability that that participant was a heavy smoker. So let's draw out our sample space. 20% of our sample is full of heavy smokers, 30% full of light smokers, and then the remaining half does not smoke at all. The probability of death for our heavy smokers is 4n. Probability of death for our light smokers is 2n. And the probability of death for our non-smokers is just n. So what we're doing here is we're finding the total area inside here. This is the probability of having died during the study. That's going to be our denominator. And we're asked to find heavy smokers. So the area of this box here is going to be our numerator. So pretty straightforward. Write out the fraction 0.2 times 4n, the thing that we want, divided by all the possible ways that the thing that happened could have in fact happened. So there's our death of a heavy smoker plus death of a light smoker plus death of a non-smoker. And so the n's are just going to cancel out, and what we're left with is 0.2 times 4 over 0.2 times 4 plus 0.3 times 2 plus 0.5. If you churn all of that through your calculator, you're going to end up with 0.8 over 1.9, which is just about 0.421. So the correct answer here is